So, today I'm going to show you how I install these and how quick they actually take, and how I draw the heart on my cheek. See, this isn't there now, so I'm going to use this. This is NYX Professional Makeup. That's the point in black. I don't know what their actual... Super sketchy, super artsy. Artistry liner. You can see the tip, it's like angled a little. I'm just going to focus. There it goes, like a chisel like. And it's perfect for doing the heart, so I'm going to do it right now. Oh. Got this cute little mirror. So I go like this. Stamp. Stamp. And this is perfect for people that don't really know how to do the heart and want to do it quick. It's kind of messed up a little, but you get it. I'm better with the other one. Yeah. So basically, roughly, that's how I do it. That's one way how I do it quickly. Another way is I'll actually take a more artsy approach and I'll take now, as for the other one, I use still NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner though. See the difference? And this tip, of course black, more like a paintbrush. I think it's exactly like a paintbrush. For this one, I simply draw it. You really gotta know how to draw them. This one though. It's important to shake this one. There's no re-dipping, you just shake it. Cross through. And I fill it in a little. Sometimes I leave it open like a stencil, but I like to fill it in. Kind of bigger than my usual, but you get it. I swear it's better than it used to be, but yeah, see, it's usually better. I don't know why it's turning out bad today. Okay, now that we got that. Now, to install this. First, rubber bands. I have to keep them in this little bag. And then you install it. Alright, first, down, this section, brush. Even though the back is dreaded, I still have my front bangs that I have to brush. And they do get in the way. Ouch! And sometimes, ow, I just poked myself in the eye. Ready for tears. Tears of irritation. My brush. Here we go. I'm going to show you how quick this shit is. Alright, I like to start with the front. So, take my hoop. And I thread it through. Okay. So far, I have done these three. Barely took a minute. Now, I'm doing this one, being fun. My longest thread. I'm adding a candy cane. Yeah, candy does candy canes remind you of? Shut up. We still got Thanksgiving. I'm putting it in my longest thread. I have, in total, I have 5 red threads and 5 black ones. It started with, they kept getting knotted up. Like, the back of my hair kept getting knotted up every time I put it in my dreadfalls. So I was like, okay, let me take this apart. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me try something different. So I started out with 3 of them. And I'm like, yeah, this is cool. So I continued to even them up. So that's how I ended up with them. I mean, it's good to change or evolve, as I will put it. Evolve, change, grow up, be better than you were yesterday. Shit, be better than you were 2 seconds ago. Okay. 2 more? Everything's washed. My natural hair is washed, dyed, and so the balls are washed. I use sometimes it's good to wash them with your own shampoo. Just wash them and then dry them. But there's also this stuff. It's for wigs and natural hair. Read it. Read it. Wigs and synthetic hair, braids, falls, pieces, whatever. It smells really good too. It's like lifesaver when you don't have time. Yeah. I messed with my actual hair was this long. Well, it was a little bit shorter than this, but this is gonna make my hair long. And I miss having long hair. I mean, they do say once you thread it, or braids, threads and braids, you lose half your length. You can definitely tell that my bangs are longer than the back. When I was a teenager, I had this angled bob where my hair was. Okay, having some technical difficulties. I might have to just edit it together. Ugh, my editing skills are terrible, but I downloaded them. Now, where was I? I did this much. One more to do on the red side. Oh, let's get into the story where back when I was a teenager, I had an angled bob where it was short in the back and long in the front, like this, basically. That's how I ended up with an undercut. And I just kept it. It was freezing, especially for southern weather. My natural color is like a chestnut brown, like a red brown. I started out a blonde, believe it or not. And even though I dyed my hair, for some reason, Arctic frocks, when you put the green, the Transylvania green, it's blue tinted, but I think it's more turquoise, which is like a green blue. So it turns out into this emerald green sometimes. And there's still remnants of that. It was fun. I ended up with a rainbow in my head. The pink side, I mean, the red side turned a little pink. Never had pink hair. I was only a pink type person for a little bit. That was because that's what I thought I was supposed to be doing until I found myself. And that's for another YouTube video. Red side done. Now for the black side. See? And they're like past my boob. So, black side. Looks like I can get this done before it shorts out again. So I already gotta edit some. Me, me, me. Me, 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 me. I don't know if you can hear it, but I think me and my mom are the only ones awake. Oh, can't wait for my little adventure. But also for another YouTube video. I'll have to carry it on my phone. Yeah, I'm using a tablet to record this. So it stands up on its own. Only 3. Yeah. This is. I am making my own soundtrack. Dryer was going. Redo it. I don't like. Oh, like I don't want. Well, I am almost done. Nobody gives a shit about Black Friday. Oh my god, no. I sure don't. Did that once. I was terrified. It's for a freaking doll that Walmart wouldn't let me buy off sale. So good. This one's like the smallest piece. Alright. Then, I guess black candy cane? Goth candy cane? Licorice? La 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 la. Cheese. So I'm guessing this takes about 10 minutes tops. I know it was like under an hour. Alright, last one. Last one. I mean, other times, if someone went to do a full head, if it was braids, probably would take a good 2 hours. And I guess I'm like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And done. See? I can style it whatever way I want. To really see it, it's like, oh, all the way down. Woo! Hold on. Alright. It took about 15 minutes, give or take. Okay. Let me see. I'll come back with more stories later. Let me edit this.